Hey guys, I just washed my bike, so I figured it's a good time to give it a bike check. Here I have my Evil Calling, size medium. It's spec'd for a 140 front fork and a 131mm rear, so it makes for a really good trail bike. It's actually a really awesome all-around bike. So I guess I'll start from the front and work my way to the back. For the wheel set, I have the Santa Cruz Reserve rims, 30mm internal width, and that's laced onto a DT Swiss 350, which I really don't care for much because it definitely has a lot of play compared to Chris King and Onyx hubs that I've run on my other bikes. And this wheel is connected to a RockShox Lyric RC2. And like I said, the bike is spec'd for a 140, but this fork is a 160mm. I gave it a test ride just last weekend, and of course it descends well, but on the climbs it flops quite a bit, so I'm probably gonna shorten the length to 150. For the handlebar, I have the Chromag BZA 35mm diameter and an 800mm width, and that's connected to the Chromag BZA 35 diameter and 35mm length. For the grips, I have the Deity Knuckle Duster. Love these grips. And for the brakes, I have the Shimano XTs. For the rear, I run the 80/20, which has the 4 pistons, giving the brakes a little bit more power and modulation, I guess. And for the front, I just run the 8000s, and that has the 2 pistons. As you can see, I have some all-mountain style frame protectors, keep the bike from getting scratches, and also gives it a little bit of customization. They offer different colors, so it's a good product. I like it. And the bike came with a RockShox Super Deluxe rear shock. That's 131mm. I'm probably gonna change it out to a coil sometime, because I'm more of a coil person. I'm thinking maybe push 11.6. So if any of you guys have an Evil Calling and run coil on it, please leave in the comments how you like it compared to an air shock. For the drivetrain, I have the Raceface Next R crankset, 170mm length, with an absolute black ring, and that's 34 tooth oval. The chain is a SRAM XX1. Just for the bling factor, the rear derailleur is a X01, and the cassette also is a X01. The rear tire is a DHR2 Maxxis, and that's a 2.4 width. And for the front, I have a DHF 2.5. Seat post is a Fox Transfer 150 length, and that's slammed all the way down into the bike. And that fits me just right, so I just made the cut. The saddle, SDG Duster, pretty comfy, but I think I like the Deities a little bit more, so I'm going to switch that out sometime in the future. Bottom bracket, I have the Chris Kings, and yeah, like I said, this bike is an awesome trail bike. It descends awesomely. It's got a 65-degree head tube angle, and it climbs well as well. Alright, thanks for watching.